not getting views on YouTube and you have been posting consistently, there is one secret setting that almost ruined my channel when I started newly. And the crazy part of it is that this setting can make you to gain views. Like when I turned this off, my views increased. And when I turned it on recently, my views also increased. In this video, I'm going to show you the setting, where to find it, and how to use it on your channel, when you can turn it on or off depending on your stage where your channel is. So this setting can be the reason of you getting 6, 10, 50 views on your video, and this setting can also be the reason why you get thousands of views on your video. When I started my channel, I was so happy that I got few subscribers and I was busy uploading regularly. But something went wrong because when I posted all these videos, I get 0 views. Like I was stuck at 0 views for a long period of time on my channel. Like I was so worried about it, and I started making research. I wanted to know what is going on, where I'm getting it all wrong. Like I wanted to figure out everything that is happening on this channel. I got views, but I'm not getting subscribers. So one day I was scrolling through my YouTube Studio desktop version and I saw this setting. And this setting was on by default and I decided to put it off. When I put it off, I posted another video and my view was so amazing. Like I got so many views, and this has been like that for months now. So fast forward to last 2 months, I have gotten a lot of subscribers. I have gotten a lot of engagement on my videos. I have gotten a lot of comment, likes on my video. Like my views was dropped, going from 300, 500, 600 views to 1, 2, 3, or 10 views on my video. Like I was so frustrated from getting 15 to 20 watch hour a day. I barely got 1 or 2 watch hour a day. You see, that was very, very frustrating and I was overwhelmed about everything. And I started making research again. Like all these things, I was getting views before. Now I'm no longer getting views. So I started making research and I went to the same setting and turned it on. Boom, I posted a video and it started gaining views. I gained a lot of views again. So I now understand that this setting can work differently on so many people's channel depending on the stage you are. Here is what this setting does. When you upload your video and you got your subscribers from short, or you got few subscribers and this setting is on, YouTube will push this video to your subscribers, and when they did not watch it, YouTube will stop promoting that video because you got the subscribers from short and you as well got your subscribers from your live stream. That's the reason why you are not getting views on that video, and that setting is on. YouTube will just stop promoting that video and you will not get any view on that video. But when the setting is off and you got so many subscribers, whether you got it from short or live streaming, and you post that video and this setting is off, you are just giving YouTube opportunity to push this video to other people, to other audience. They will not notify your subscribers, and the reason is because your subscribers is not watching and this setting is off. The work of this setting is to either notify your subscribers that you have posted a video or not to notify them. So when you see that your subscribers are not watching your videos because you got them from short or live streaming, all you have to do is to put this setting in off so that YouTube can be able to test your video to other audience. And when that audience started watching that video, YouTube will continue to push that video to many other people. There is no creator with low audience and you are not getting engagement or views on your video. This could be the reason why you are not getting views, because this setting is on and maybe you got your subscribers from short or you got it from your live streaming. That's why they are not watching your videos. But when the YouTube pushes this video to new audience, they watch this video and they subscribe because of this long form video. Anytime you post your video, your long form video, they will start watching it. And that is when you need to turn these settings on. So if you're a small creator with low engagement, with low views on your video, maybe you got your subscribers from short or live streaming, all you have to do is turn this setting off. Allow YouTube to push your video based on your video, not based on your inactive subscribers. So this actually helped me a lot to gain more views on my videos. So when you gain a lot of subscribers from your long form video that are always watching your videos, all you have to do again is to turn it on, because you have gotten a loyal subscriber that always watches your video. So here is how to find it when you are uploading your video, and know that this setting is only turned on or off when you are uploading your video. When you upload your video and this setting is on, it will just be like that. You can never change it as other settings. And when it's off and you upload your video, it will just be like that. So you either click on or off when you are uploading your video. That's why I always advise to use YouTube desktop version to upload your video. And know that you putting this setting on off doesn't mean that YouTube is not going to publish your video. No, they will push your video to new audience. They will not post it to your subscriber that is not watching your video. All they have to do is to push the video to new audience, to test it with new audience based on your video title, your tags, your keywords on that video. That's why it's always good to optimize your video very well, so that when they are testing the video, they will know the right people to hit that video to. The YouTube desktop version, click on video, then click on this pen icon to edit. Then scroll down to where you will see embedding. Under embedding, you will see publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. That is the setting that I'm talking about. This setting can either give you views or make you not to gain views. So you set this setting according to your channel stage, whether you are getting views or not. So you always need to check your subscribers, whether they are watching your videos or not, before you put it on or off. So this is the main reason I started gaining views on my videos. So here is the setting that changed everything on my channel, and this could be the reason of you not getting views as well. So try and check this on your channel, turn it on, turn it off, and check which one is working for you. And please, in every setting that you see on YouTube, please experiment it. Make research on it, whether it's coming from me, or you can be able to use it on your channel. And when you use it on your channel, make sure you study it. Check your views before and check it after to know which one is better. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Please hit the subscription button to subscribe and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you in my next one.